Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.
Hey y'all, so I am actually just got home, went to the dollar store, and I was at the mall. I had to get a white dress because it's one of my friend's birthday parties, and I'm just gonna pop up for a quick second, in and out type of deal. And I needed a white dress. Never been to a white party before. As you guys can see, I just did my lashes. That's why it looks like I'm crying, but I'm really not crying. It's not that serious. Oops. So I ended up going to the dollar store right after because I needed nail glue. As you guys can see, I broke my nail. I've been practicing, doing acrylics on my nails. It's not the best, but it's a good starter. I got these Ioni lashes. I got it short, medium, large. I didn't anticipate to get the short ones, but they're good to have, Long lashes, they're long wispy lashes. They look pretty solid, but I need a little dramatic look for tomorrow's all-white party. I ended up going to the mall. I went to Forman Mills because I was like, oh, I just need a cheap white dress. It's going to be in and out type of deal tomorrow. But I ended up finding a white dress upstairs at like Quaker Bridge Mall when I was there. For like $30 or some shit like that. So I'm gonna film that tomorrow, God willing, for my next vlog. But these are cute. I just wanted to fill you guys in.
What are you doing? What do you want? What do you guys want? What are you doing? Are you just chilling with mommy?
What's wrong? Are you tired? You wanna go to bed? You wanna go to bed? I'll open bed for you. Let's go to bed. You wanna go to bed? Come on. You wanna relax in bed? Where you wanna go? You can't eat right now. You already eat. No, we're not gonna eat. You gotta come back over here. Yeah, we're not gonna eat right now. It's too late, Mommy. You gotta come in. No, it is way too late, Mama. No. I know you're preggers. Do you want a treat instead? Let's get a treat. You want a treat? Go, come on. Let's get a treat. Oh. Okay, where's the trees at? Oh, they're right here. Impressive. Okay. What? Sit and relax. Nala, gentle. Gentle. Oh my god, that was not gentle, mommy. That was aggressive. No. No, Nala, this is Koda's. Gentle. Mommy, you're gonna try to get his food? That's not your food. So after all of that, she's getting water now. Look at her. Oh my god. Baby's getting her water. After all those treats, she's finally getting her water. Oh, look up the pregnant tummy. Baby daddy. You did this, sir. You put a baby in this doggy. How do you feel? Look, always taking care of her, huh? Nope, don't take water from a pregnant girl. Yeah, you guard her, boy. Yeah, you guard her, puppy. You taking care of Nala? Yes, you are. You taking care of her? Yes, you are. Look at that beautiful puppy. Oh, you have those cute eyes. What do you want? What do you want, handsome boy? Damn, Nala, slow down.